to this guy, my friend, my primary school friend. We're building a gaming / editing PC because he does do editing in another channel. So here's all the components we have. Starting off here with, of course, 16 gigs of RAM, crucial memory. We couldn't go for the fancy RGB ones because those are really through the roof right now, the price. So here we have an i5. We have, yes, it's 8600K. It's overclockable, but we don't have an overclockable motherboard, so unfortunately we just have to settle with a cooler here by ID Cooling. This is a very new brand, I never heard of this before. It's the SE214 RGB. Yes, RGB, because RGB is very important. This guy wants his face in multiple colors, so RGB. And then we have a WD Blue, so that the system will start up very fast. We have a 2TB one, but then it's not here yet. Yeah, online deliveries still suck. Okay, here we have a 1060 with 6 gigs of RAM, so it's good enough for 144Hz monitor. What? You'll be like, what? Wait, 144Hz monitor? Yeah, 144Hz. It's 1080p, but it's not OLED. OLED is going to be very expensive. So this is just LED, 144Hz, and it's 27 inches. So that's great for its use. Then pairing that, we need a motherboard too, so we're gonna have MSI B360M Bazooka motherboard. This is for Intel. No overclocking. Okay, we went for this CPU because we wanted actually the non-K version, but then we don't have the. They went out of stock during the 11/11 sale, so we just bought this instead. Anyway, this one can future-proof him for next time. So in all this awesome hardware we have here, we are putting it into this Masterbox Lite 5 RGB. Yes, RGB again with 3 RGB fans, 3 RGB fans with 1 rear exhaust fan also that's not RGB. So yeah, this build is gonna be a bit semi-RGB, mostly for all this fitting, all this wonderful hardware we have here. So I guess, should we start the build?
Of course.
Cameraman? Yeah! Let's go! Get post. Look here. Everybody, guys, come around real quick. Come around real quick. We're gonna get post. The dice system turns off. Wait, did you hold it?
Yeah.
No, press it. Oh no, wait, it's turning on. Hold on. 8. Keep your memory change. Please enter setup or configure a system. Alright. Okay.
Oh.
Hold on. We need a USB key. You need USB keyboard. Which one's the keyboard? Oh, I see keyboard.
RGB also never plug. BIOS!
Oh wow, we got the BIOS.
3.6 GHz.
3.6 GHz. Wow, that's fast. Alright, looks like everything's being detected. CPU is at 3.8. The temperature is not bad. Yeah, temperature is not bad. You have they can see everything's being detected. Memory size 16 gigs. Then you have i5 8600K 3. GHz.
What is this? You?
Now this is our boot. Oh right, so pretty good. System works. Time to install in the case then.
Yeah,
but that's after our lunch break. Just go.
Dinner lah.
Dinner break. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got the system working. Ooh.
Wow.
Look at that, it's flashing RGB. The RGB light flashing.
Off the light now.
Wait, we
Oh,
need,
nothing,
we need to get.
What awesome.
Oh no, no, oh no. Before I press backspace. Wait.
Backspace.
Wait, hold on. We need to restart this thing first. Oh wait, Fateh, you wanna know why I didn't want to put the back on? Because you need to access the LED controller.
Yeah lah. Yeah, you.
Hold on, I need to configure everything first.
Not working.
No, it should be working. I know it.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh wow.
Now it's gonna boot into my USB, my installer.
That's
There we
fast.
go. But then I have no control with the mouse. Do you have another mouse pad? Do you have a mouse? Another mouse pad?
Can you like use the
Oh, okay, fine. Wait.
wait.
Uganda. English. Whoa.
Eh, Esperanto.
Esperanto.
English world. Oh no.
Can we find Singapore?
Wait, I need to try and get this mouse working. I don't know why is the mouse not working.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. With technical difficulty.
You happy with the build?
Yes, I think it's a really successful build. Can see mountains. You like that? I think you do.
Well, yeah, the build was great. A few misconceptions, like we didn't know CPU had no fan. We didn't know like there'll be some case issues and some other things, small issues. But then we pulled through. We still have that one HHD, one which is a 2TB HHD, which is still waiting for arrival, but hasn't came yet. Hopefully it comes soon.
So
Yeah, but overall this build was fun. Late night snack with this guy. Gonna stay over with him. My cameraman is going home. Have a safe trip then. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this build, tell me if you want any more builds. I'll look for my friends who want PC builds and steal their money. Okay then, cheers and see you guys next time.